So I'm starting to put the lighting in. Got some puck lights. I got my lanterns that run off solar. So I started off with these. I decided to do this at night because it's getting too hot to work in the day here. So here's my blue eddy I got going. So I got some puck lights in, and I'm at 60%, and it's drawing 0 watts for 6 puck lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. One under the cabinet there. I haven't put the other 2 up yet. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to run the lines across the ceiling here because these lines aren't too long. And once I get everything wired up, I did this all ass backwards. I should have done the wiring first, but as the packages came in, I just started working, and once everything's done, then I'll have a finish for the roof that'll cover up the wires. So no biggie, no biggie. Let's see what this is pulling. It still says 0, so I don't know. These lights will probably never drain this battery. Never. I could run these lights all night probably. So here's some more toys that I got. I got my hose for the plumbing, my Y pipe for that pipe back there that I'm going to run the AC into this wall and this wall with little vents so I can have AC on top of the bed. I'm waiting for the mattress to go in very last. I'm not too concerned with having it in right now. I want to take this out for a test drive to see what it sounds like when I'm driving. This thing has been sitting in here for the last month as I've been building. Yeah, I just want to listen for creaks, and if anything is gonna fall apart on me. I'm sure these cabinet doors are gonna start opening and closing. They're on magnets, so they should stay, but I may have to double up. These are my solars. Very nice. So if I turn off these, you can see I used to use these in my apartments prior to this because we would have a lot of rolling blackouts and people get stuck in the elevators. Sucks. So there's the lights back on. They gave me a little remote, so we can go 100%, 50%, 25%, and there's some like dance modes, whatever, but we're not going to do that. We're adults here. We're big adults here, right? So I got another set of lights that I'm gonna tack in right now, and we'll see what that looks like in a little bit. But hey, not bad for 0 output. If you guys want to know what lights I got that pull 0, it's these. Boo. The most valuable additions added to your kitchen or furniture. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you're interested. LED under cabinet lighting. Energy saving. Definitely energy saving. Let me check again. Still at 0 watt pull. Not bad, huh? Highly recommended. They're a nice warm light. I'm not into those really bright LED like these. I like a warm old school light, like a lantern. These are good for emergencies, and they're good because they're solar, so they don't pull any battery power, and neither do these apparently. Yeah, we're still at 0. I don't know what's up, but I'm not going to complain. Super good. Super good. Again, Abu. Yeah, I got one more in there. And they actually come with these sticky pads you can temporarily stick up there, or some screws that you could screw them in with. Cool lights. I dig them. Yeah, once I get all the wiring done, it's going to run across here. I'm going to put the battery down in here and have all the wires run across. And then once all that's done, I'll have a finish that goes over all the wiring. So my mistake is actually by design. I'm going to install another set of lights real quick, and we'll check back. Oh, I got this in the mail too. This is a Bayan. Sounds like these are all Filipino products. It's a mosquito net that goes over the front windows, because these mosquitoes love me. Look at that one. That one's been itching for the last 2 days, and I just want to bite my wrist off. It's made for parked cars only, which is fine, because when we're parked, I want to roll the windows down. I don't want no hornets, no bees, no flies, no ankle biters, no ass biters, no nothing. So once I get these done, or I'll show you a little install tomorrow in the daylight. But supposedly it brings down the temperature down to 45 degrees. No, 45 degrees cooler. So this is the name, if you're interested. Supposedly they fit the Econo lines, but I'm going to do the test tomorrow and we'll see. Because I want to be out there, but I don't want them to be in here. You know what I'm trying? Yeah, so that's that. I may have to do something about a screen for these doors as well, because I want these open too. And then seeing how dark it is out here, possibly putting some type of exterior light to shine out so we can see who's about to murder us. So I just installed these. Simple little strip light that goes around to about there. I'm going to tuck these back so that you don't really see them, and they'll be more like an uplight. But I was just doing a quick fit to see, does this fit? So we got some red light, some green light, some blue light, and this remote is letting me play with these so I can do custom colors. I don't know how to use these yet, so you're watching me figure this out as we go here. There's a play button, so I don't know what that means. What does this play button do? Nothing. I can't see. Let me turn this other light on. This is kind of cool just for some mood. I got 2 sets of lights plugged in here. And this guy is running on 0 as well. Let me turn it up. Maybe that'll, yeah. So turning these up, still drawing 0. I don't know what color I like better. This is kind of cool. Yeah, just test fitting, seeing how long the cord is. I got a little more slack down in here, so I can pull these all the way to this back end, so it doesn't stop right there. green, blue. I don't know, this is kind of cool. Purple, pink. Oh no, what is this, turquoise? It looks yellow in here, but it's still green in here. This is kind of an orangey. This is more like a green orange. Digging it. Digging it. Yeah, we got 2 sockets plugged in, going 15 watts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 puck lights right now with this strip light. And it lights it up pretty bright in here. Let me see what I got here for you guys. So here's the box. I got these off Amazon. Minger RGB LED light strips. Colors, colors, colors. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for this one as well. Hopefully this might have sparked some ideas for you guys as far as lighting for your rigs. I wanted to do this at night definitely so we can see what it looks like. And this is plenty of light. Hardly anything. Now we're at 21. So if I were to go down 50% with the puck light, then it goes down to 21, down to 12, down to 11. And these LEDs are running at 100 as well, so if I were to pull those down some, and that pulls 0 watts. So free energy. No, it's got to pull something, but it's got to be pulling 0.5 or something. Maybe the Blue Eddy doesn't do the fractions. So here's that. Some lights for your van. Sweet. Subscribe.